This is a video by Richmond. Today we are working on a motorcycle trailer, and what we're doing is we are putting on new tires. Here is the trailer that we're going to be changing the tires on. I bought this trailer in 1978 from a company in Wisconsin, right from the factory. I've had it all these years, and the tires on it are the original tires. Here's the tire. I highly recommend these if you can find them. I don't think so. They're Goodyear Highlander CT. Oh boy. Boy, if you could get some of these tires. These are fabulous. From 1978, and they're still holding air. But look at how the rubber is cracking. And then when I saw this spot right over here, right there, look at, I can see the cord. Once I saw that, I'm there, oh, we gotta change these tires. Don't want a blowout. I want to show you a close-up of that part of the tire I didn't like, right there. Look at that. Look at that, how you can look inside the tire there. The reinforcement of the sidewall. Not good. Alright, let's get that tire wheel off there. Hey, that came off pretty good for all those years. Time to break the bead on the rim. Whoa, look at that. There's air in this tire. Well, I hope these new tires are just as good as these tires. How easy are the beads gonna break on this? Let's see. Beautiful. Geez, been on there since what, 1978? First time the tire's been off the rim. Beautiful. Now what I did is I put the tires in the pickup truck here with the sun. Don't mind my beautiful seats here. But the sun coming in here has made the rubber nice and soft, so that should help to mount them to the rims. All right, let's do it. Okay, we don't want too much. All right. I don't think we nicked our bead. The core is out, so that will give us maximum air through there for inflation. Let's see how this inflates. Let's see, let's jack the air up. There we go. We want a lot of air. Let's see how this inflates. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Here is the second tire. It's all on, and it went so much easier than the first tire, but you'll never see it because I forgot to video it. The trick was, once you get the first side on, which goes on pretty easy, and the second side, get about halfway on, instead of trying to just force it over the rim, a simple thing like just walking it on like this makes a big difference. Makes it so much easier. So we got it on, and I think what we're going to do is with the Goodyear tires, we're going to keep those a while and see how these Lodestar tires perform, because I don't know too much about them. So if they don't work out, we can put those Goodyears on if we have to. But if we do have a problem, I will let you guys know. Thanks for watching.